Hey guys, welcome to my first series on Java programming. This series will focus on beginners who don't know how to code Java, and the series will be also for people who want to refresh their memories on Java programming. So today this video will cover the software we're going to use for Java programming, and we're also going to make a simple script that prints out the word hello world. Okay, so the program which we'll be using is called BlueJay. If you go on Google and type in BlueJay, basically it's a Java development environment for beginners, and I recommend it for you guys to download. Also, if you guys don't have Java Development Kit installed, I recommend you download that as well. Otherwise, you won't be able to run the Java development environment. If you go on bluejay.org, after typing in Google, you click the first link and go down to the download and install page. Here you will see two types of links. If you already have the Java Development Kit from Oracle, you just download the BlueJay installer. If you don't, just use this link and it will download both of them, and you can install. And then once you download and installed, it should create a desktop icon at your desktop, and then double click BlueJay. Okay, so once you click BlueJay, this window will pop up, and what you're going to do is going to click on project and click new project. You're going to name whatever you going to name a project, so I'm going to name it project 1. Click create. After you click create, this blank document will come up. You don't need that blank document. What you will do now is click new class. Basically everything in Java works with classes, so I will explain what class means in future videos, but for now just name your class. It can be anything, but for keeping it simple, I'm just going to call it main. You can call it whatever you want to, monkey or a food or anything, just anything you want, but for now I'm just going to call it main. Yeah, after you name it, just press OK, and then this little window, square window, will come up on the screen like this. What you do is double click it, and this window will pop up. Now everything in this window, just highlight it all and delete it. This will be the page where we will be doing all the Java programming. So as I said, everything in Java works with classes. So we're going to declare our class which we made. So we're going to type in class main. Basically this is the class we made, and this statement here tells the compiler that we're going to be compile from the class main that we created. Make sure you spell it right. So what if you named it like pizza, you would just type in class pizza, or if you just called it sky, just class sky. But I named it main, so I'm going to type in main. So after this, you're going to hit enter, and then you're going to open a curly bracket like this, and then you're going to hit enter again, and it should already indent to the middle of the class thing. Okay, so now I'm going to type in a code, a statement, and then I'm going to explain what it does and what's the purpose of it. So you type in public static void main, and then open brackets, and type in string args after that. Oh, and then after that, just have two square brackets, open and closed, and then close the brackets. Don't forget, every time you write a statement, just end it with a semicolon. It tells the compiler that you're ending the statement there. So basically this, you don't need to know what this line means, as long as you remember the words, and you lay out like this. So you always type in class main first, then a bracket, then this line here. So what you basically, this means that everything you're going to type underneath this statement it's going to be compiled and printed out in the program. The word you don't need to know what these words mean. Basically, public means that you're gonna view it for, you're gonna show it to everyone, and this main here is not related to the main class. This is just a variable used by Java, so it's just going to be there. So after you type this in, you just hit enter, and now everything underneath it, so you're going to open a curly bracket again, hit enter. Now everything going to type here is going to be printed out to the system. So you're going to type, so we're going to make the hello world script. So for that we're going to type in system dot out dot print line. But for line we type in ln, not line. This is short, and this is a syntax used with this is the syntax that is used for Java for line. After that you open up brackets, and then you're going to use the 2 quotation marks in the brackets, and anything which you will type in between this will be printed out to in the program. So let's just type in a simple word, hello world. Sorry, I'm just going somewhere else. World. You can do wherever you want to. You don't have to type in hello world. You can type in whatever you want to. Basically, this is telling the system to print the line hello world. Again, don't forget to close with the semicolon. I'm sorry, this semicolon is not meant to be here because we're still continuing on to we're still continuing the same line, so we're not ending it there. We're going to end it after this line here. Sorry if I made that confusing, but I'll repeat that again. There's no semicolon at the end of that statement because we're continuing off from that statement to here, and it's ended here. After this we're going to just close it, and this is the script. So again, there's not, you don't need to know what any of these words mean, as long as you remember what the line is for printing out words. You'll be fine then. So after you created the script, you press compile. You click the button compile, and at the bottom here it should say class compiled, no syntax errors. So after that you minimize the window and go to the page where you created a class, and now on this main window here you right click on it and click void main string args. After you click that, this window should pop up. Just click OK, make sure it has the 2 curly brackets open and close in the middle. And once you press OK, it should say the word hello world, whatever we write it in it, and that's basically it. So yeah, then again you can type in anything you want. So let me just clear this. So if I double click it, so if I want to name it something else, let's say expert coding, create, compile it again, minimize, right click, wide main, okay, and it says expert coding. So that's a simple command statement for printing out lines for programs. I hope I didn't make this too confusing for you guys. If you do have any questions, please inbox me or reply in the comments. In the next video we will be learning basic syntax for Java, and hopefully I'll give you guys a better understanding of what Java is in order. I will also in the future explain what classes are, so you guys don't keep thinking, oh, he didn't explain classes. Don't worry, I will explain everything, and hopefully I will make you guys a better Java programmer than what you are currently. My next video should be up by next Monday. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know. And also please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.